It's the final countdown. Love that song. Wait, are we started? Okay. Today, we're going to turn this into this. If you want to learn how, stick around. Roll the intro.
The hair.
What's up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
Welcome back to another awesome video. If this is your first time and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, you can start now by clicking that subscribe button below us and also click that little bing, that little bell so you don't miss anything. And today we're going to talk about Philly cheesesteak. Now, Philly cheesesteak, I'm guessing it came from Philly. I've heard there's Cheese Whiz. I heard that's the original.
Yeah.
I'm not a Cheese Whiz fan on that, but I'm not going to knock it if I was from Philly. Of course, we're not from Philly. We're from Alabama. So I don't know if we should call it Alabama cheesesteak.
It's tough to find a really good Philly cheesesteak
Right.
here.
Here's what we're talking about. Jersey Mike's, T-Bones, go downtown, good cheesesteaks.
T-Bones.
We have had our fill of cheesesteaks over the years, if you will. We love them, and we want to keep eating them.
Jerry's.
Oh yeah, Jerry's in Maryland. Woo! The cheesesteak dripping off that mug.
Yeah.
They would do tick, 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 on the grill in the back. You could watch them do the whole thing.
That's so good.
Takes you back. That's why we're gonna cook these babies right here. There's no need that you can still love cheesesteak and not eat the steak. We're just not gonna have this nice little toasty bread. Oh yeah, we're going to eat the steak. We're just not going to eat this bread. However, we have made videos before making bread with a bread machine. I'll link that video up on a card right above us. You can go make your bread if you still want to put, I still might do that.
Yeah. Make
the bread and put this cheesesteak in it.
Wait,
However,
you're going to make the bread?
if I want to.
Yes, I think that's
if
great.
I want to. However, check this out. We've come up with a different twist on the Philly cheesesteak. We call this cheesesteak bake.
Philly cheesesteak skillet is actually what
Is that what you're calling? Okay.
Yeah.
So it looks like we haven't copyright or patent that yet. I still like the cheesesteak bake because it rhymes.
Well, that's fine, but I call it Philly.
Look,
when you make it, you call it Philly cheesesteak.
We're not from Philly.
Well,
it is the cheesesteak because there's cheese and there's steak in it. And what else did you call it?
I call it the Philly cheesesteak skillet.
Skillet, because it's cooked in a skillet. Well, you know what? It's not baked.
You can bake it.
I'm out. Okay, I concede. It is the Philly cheesesteak skillet because that's what it's cooked in.
Yes.
All right, let's get cooking. So these are going to be pretty dang amazing.
Yes. Okay, let's look at the information on it. So these.
Oh, you mean is this good stuff?
We bought these from Sam's. Get one of the little blocks if you don't mind. We bought these from
Sam's. You
Sam's.
mean a whole block or the sleeve?
Just a little block.
Well, it's kind of mushy.
That's okay.
I don't want to pick it out.
Oh my gosh! Seriously?
I'm just gonna do.
Oh my gosh!
This is what it's in the frozen.
Hello, you can't do this.
It's in the frozen. You got a base.
It's a little.
She touched that with her. She hasn't washed.
Yes, I have. Don't say that.
Yeah.
So these are the little steak. It's kind of like steakums, like
yeah,
they
you
used
the steak. See the steakums?
You ready? In the 1980s, that's like when we ate them in the 80s.
Right, steakums.
This is 1 gram of carb for one of those little blocks.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna use 12 of those in our skillet.
How many comes in a box of these sleeves? 4?
12.
12 sleeves?
Oh no, 3 sleeves, 12 blocks.
Wow. Okay.
Okay. Now the ingredients, it does have beef, and it says
beef. That's good.
It contains water, lemon phosphate, and salt and dextrose. So dextrose.
Dextrose.
Yeah, it's a little bit of sugar.
Why?
It's a little bit of sugar. So
For
that's
flavor?
where the 1 gram of sugar from the dextrose is representing in the carbs.
Now, as you know from our past videos, we've talked about dextrose. Basically, that is a sugar substitute that, how does it affect your blood on the glycemic index?
Well, I don't know,
Is it the
because
same?
I've never seen anybody take dextrose.
Oh, they didn't do that?
I'm thinking it's probably...
Mega didn't do that? Okay, well, anyway.
Well, because I don't think they sell
We'll have to
dextrose.
research that, folks, my keto friends.
I don't think they sell dextrose as...
Are you sure?
Hey, here, cook with dextrose.
Put in the comments below if you've bought some dextrose on the black market.
Okay, and so ingredients for today, guys, we have 2 bell peppers. We like a lot of veggies, so 2 bell peppers and 1 onion. Even though it looks like it's 2 onions, it's only 1 onion. The more bell peppers is under there. We have half a block of cream cheese. We have 2 tablespoons of butter. We have 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we have our 12 little meat, what do you call them, patties.
Steak. Salt
to taste. And we have, these have been cooking for 10 minutes, Palmini noodles. This is what we're gonna put our, this is gonna be the bed that we're gonna put our Philly cheesesteak on. Add the Palmini noodles. These are noodles that are made out of hearts of palm, and I let them cook for about 10 minutes. I boiled them. I drained them and boiled them for about 10 minutes, and we use these in a lot of different recipes. It just adds a little bit of extra fiber, just adds a little bit of extra, you know, kind of like comfort food, like macaroni and cheese. You like the pasta, you like the cheese. Well, here you got cheese and you got noodles. They're faux noodles.
And we get these at Sprouts.
Yeah. Byron actually went and picked up a couple of bags for me today.
And we've done another video with Palmini noodles. We made chicken Alfredo.
Which is
we'll link that card above us right now.
This kind of reminds me of chicken Alfredo.
Chicken!
Except for it's not chicken. It's steak. Okay, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all there is to it. The noodles are already cooked. Just added it to it. And of course, I added salt to taste.
Are we ready to try it?
Yeah, let's try it.
Let's try it. Well, we just took the finished product off the heat and put it on a nice little white plate. Just like you'd get at Jersey Mike's.
Stop talking. We're eating.
Except with no bread.
Stop talking. More eating.
Wait, so here's
Do I
the
have to
finished
feed you? Why do I have to feed you every
I
time?
don't know. You always say no slurping.
Well, I don't.
Wait, I'm going to try not to slurp.
Okay, let's see.
Ready?
Oh, it got in your hair. Whoops. Sorry.
Hairnet.
Lion mane.
Woo, Philly cheesesteak, baby. Wait a minute. So, it's official. This is a Philly cheese steak skillet, right?
Mm-hmm.
Philly cheesesteak skillet. We'll link that down in the description below, so you guys can cook it at home.
As well as all the macros. I talk over you. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Everybody does it. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, and tell your friends about us.
And if you do try it and you like it, please put in the comments that you tried it and how it turned out. And maybe even take a picture. Can you put pictures in comments?
I've never tried that.
Try it and see.
See if you can. Prove us wrong. Anyway, until next time, make sure you stay on the keto wagon.
I think you already said that.
No, I said fall off the keto wagon. Now we're staying on it.
That's not
I don't know which one I did.